Hi friends, today I will discuss about Wipro hiring process. Which is a drive is going on. I've also shared a link in the description. You can just go and fill up the form. Okay, and today I will discuss in detail about what are the requirement, how many rounds are there, and in how much duration you will be getting your results, and what types of questions they ask in technical or in HR round. Okay, so with my personal experience, let's go. In ELITE NDH 2022, engineering students can apply in this, and registration starts from 23rd of August 21 and ended uh, on 20th September. Okay, and assessment will be between 25th of September to 27th of September. And what are the age criteria? So age criteria will be BTech, MTech. The students can apply, and which is except fashion technology, textile engineering, and agriculture and food technology. These engineering students cannot apply. So, and passing years of passing is will be 22. Okay. So and minimum like 60% 6 CGPAs or equivalent as per the university guidelines can apply in this, and 10th standard will be 60 and 12th is 60%. Okay, so after this, coming on CTC compensation, you will be getting package of 3.5 after selection. And if I talk about service agreement, so service agreement is there's a service agreement. So bond will be of 12 months, and if you break in between, and you have to pay 75,000. Okay, so and coming to backlog, so maximum three maximum, they are not looking, the offer will be subject to all backlogs being clear. Once a candidate is clear all the backlog, then only he or she will be eligible for this. So, and if I talk about gap, so maximum 3 years of gap is allowed. So coming on evaluation process, what are the criteria and what are the section, how many stages there are? Basically there are 3 stages: aptitude test, written communication, and online programming test. Okay, in online assessment. So in aptitude there is logical ability, quantitative ability, and English ability. So the duration is 48 minutes, right? And if coming to after this aptitude test, you will be getting there is a like these it is a combined examination basically. Okay, in so written communication test will be essay writing, which is 20 minutes, and online programming test, which is also easy. It is, we have to write almost 250 to 300 words of essay in with my experience, which when I have given. And online programming test will be, there will be 60 minutes question and will be asked approx 2 programming questions in 60 minutes. Okay, so last date is 20th of September, already discussed, and you have to click on apply now. So after applying now, you see in eligibility they have mentioned BTech candidate is compulsory, and or MTech candidate. So these are the criterias. So if you haven't applied till yet, just click on the blue link. So you can click on register now, and you can fill up the form. So with my experience, when I have given this Wipro aptitude, I got my results in a month. But usually they declare your results in 15 days, 15 to 20 days. Okay, so after clearing out, after a week, you will be getting a mail regarding a in technical interview. So in technical interviews, no, not such tough. You just need to uh, they will ask some basic questions related to interviews and training. questions, and afterwards if you clear the technical round, then there is most probability of clearing HR round. Then most probably your selection is done. In most of the case, HR round is just for formalities, right? They just check about related to whether a candidate is comfortable with the bond or not, and is there a person is comfortable with the relocation or not. They just want to know whether a candidate is comfortable in relocating or with bond process, or they check the communication and personality, whether a candidate can communicate well or not. So these all are the and after clearing the HR round, within 10 to 15 days you will be getting a confirmation that you got selected, and you will be getting an LOI, letter of intent, offer letter. And afterwards you will be getting a module, like a module that is PJT. So and then again you will be getting 1 month for completion of PJT. Okay, then afterwards you will be they will onboard you. Okay, so these all are the hiring process of Wipro. If you have any doubt or any query, you can ask me. Thank you, and do like and subscribe.